Cat's Eye in the mother building. Got to see them a bit at Head in the Clouds. Got to see them backstage a little bit too. It was actually kind of fire, actually. But they just came out with Hootie Fruity. Actually, I don't even know what's happening with Cat's Eye. I mean, we got a lot of people going in hiatus, and even at Head in the Clouds, it was 4 of them. So I'm like, what's popping? What's going on at Hype? I don't know, but they just released Hootie Fruity. Okay. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Who's dripping? Oh, these are from the Damn. Damn. Oh, why is hot? It's hot like.
Sei que tu gosta da fruta, mas essa é diferente.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Go back.
É diferente.
Okay. Oh. Okay, Sophia. Girl, that was a lot. That was less than any type of drop of water. What? Give me that too.
Hey, cutie, cutie.
I don't even know what I just said. Do they? Oh. Chocolata. Listen, Laura, let me know. Sophia. Okay, Tic Tac Orange. They always got a product placement. Hootie Fruity. Listen, their outfits, their dance. Ooh. Okay, Megan, I see you. Oh my God. Hootie Fruity. What's the inspiration to that? Oh, another. They always got put. Is that slime? Let's play some truth or dare. The breakdown reminds me of like early 2000s. Ooh, better. Fruity. Damn, everybody wet up in this bit. Are they barefoot too? Damn. Who's shaking ass? Oh, that was Daniela. Oh my God. Ma'am. Oh my God. Yup. Miss Ma'am. Damn, hold up. There's a lot of cheekage in this. A lot of cheekage up in here. So, what an interesting. I don't know. Sometimes I don't even know what the direction of Cat's Eye's music is going. But this is probably one of their most sexiest videos. No?
Eu sei que tu gosta da fruta, mas essa é diferente.
I mean, damn, she going in for real. God damn. Like I said, I feel like it still feels like. Still feels a little bit weird with what's happening on with Cat's Eye, especially when like Manon's not there and everything. But they still keep on going. Like it's crazy. Hootie Fruity? Low-key, it do sound like a fruit snack like theme song. Like, what does it mean? Damn. I see you. I see you. I see you. Hey, she need more water.
I see you looking, 'cause when I walk in the party, they're like, who's she? Carry my matcha.
Interesting lyrics. I love this part a lot. I like this part a lot. On your tongue. Oh my god. That slowdown, like this part, is interesting. The pipes are gonna burst. Come and get it before it's gone. Every day, every day. What is that? And then she got slime in her. She would have like slime because I would actually play with the slime too if it was on the set. What is it? You crave it even a foodie. Interesting lyric choices, I'm not gonna lie. Again, I think I like the pre-chorus a lot in this whole thing. Damn, them body rolls she be hitting really do be hitting. It's like a pool party. Fruity. This part, I'm not sure. Oh, she really getting in there though, for real, for real. Like, is Hootie Fruity like them being the fruit? God damn, my God. Ass out. Huh. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Cat's Ass Hootie Fruity. What an interesting lyric choice too. I do like the pre-chorus a lot. Again, please leave in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. You might just come true. Just put some hard work into it. Be sure to check out the Patreon. I checked out K-Pops, the movie. It's been so fun watching. If you want to watch it with me, go check out the Patreon. I'm going to be uploading to Patreon. I'm going to go be live streaming tomorrow at 6 p.m. or 3 p.m. PST, I think. Let me double check, actually. It's going to be at 3 p.m. We're going to do a song competition for best K-pop summer song. We're almost at the end of summer, so be sure to check it out. Come through twitch.tv/DreGaming. You already know. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-Pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-Pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on DreGaming. I'm there every day.